The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is a versatile 4-in-1 kitchen gadget that simplifies food prep with its ability to chop, slice, dice, and spiralize vegetables. Ideal for onions, peppers, and other veggies, it includes a built-in container to keep countertops clean. This handy kitchen accessory is compact, easy to clean, and perfect for anyone looking to save time and effort in meal preparation. Its durable blades and user-friendly design make it a great addition to any home kitchen. The OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper is designed to make chopping vegetables easy and efficient. With its sharp stainless steel blade grid, this chopper quickly dices onions, peppers, and more, minimizing mess with an enclosed lid to contain ingredients. The container catches and measures chopped veggies, while the non-slip base provides stability. Known for its ergonomic, easy-to-grip handle, this chopper is both convenient and dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleanup. Perfect for quick, consist. The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper Mini Food Processor, 72850, is a compact 3-cup appliance with a 350-watt motor designed for efficient dicing, mincing, and pureeing. Its one-touch pulse control allows for precise chopping of vegetables, herbs, nuts, and more. With a stainless steel blade and durable design, it ensures quick, consistent results. The bowl, a lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and convenient. Perfect for small kitchens and quick meal prep. The Dash-Safe Slice Mandoline Slicer offers a safer way to slice, julienne, and dice vegetables with over 30 preset cuts and adjustable thickness settings. This unique mandoline is designed with a safety enclosure that keeps your hands away from the blades, reducing the risk of injury. Its versatile functions allow for even slicing of fruits, vegetables, and more, making it ideal for meal prep. Compact and easy to clean, this gray slicer is a practical addition to any kitchen for efficient finesse. The Kiywold juicer machine features a powerful 500W motor and a wide 3-inch feed chute, allowing you to easily juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. This centrifugal juicer, made from durable stainless steel and BPA-free materials, delivers fresh juice quickly and efficiently. Designed with easy-to-clean parts, it simplifies post-use cleanup. The stylish green design adds a pop of color to any kitchen, making it a practical and vibrant choice for health-conscious users.